Introducing the Assignable Maintenance Task, a new feature on the data portal that combines maintenance scheduling with resource planning, allowing maintenance managers to assign tasks to technicians and track their workload. Let's discover how the Assignable Maintenance Task feature can assist you in creating your workflow. Step 1. Plan the workload. To handle the workload easily, maintenance managers can use filters to view the status of machines that require maintenance. Let's focus here on upcoming or overdue tasks. Step 2. Assigning the task. Using the new feature, maintenance managers can view machines that are not yet assigned to anyone and easily assign tasks to service technicians, improving efficiency. Step 3. Assess the workload. It's essential to monitor the workload of service technicians while assigning tasks. The Assign To filter enables maintenance managers to assess service technicians' workload, track their progress, and manage their tasks over a period of time. This process enhances efficiency and productivity, reduces cost, and is advantageous for both OEM and customers, resulting in quicker service planning and earlier appointments. Moreover, since this process is completely paperless, it also facilitates the fulfillment of ESG and CSR commitments. For information about more such updates, visit our website and learn more.